Welcome to OldFashion Health, Good Health Inside and Out. My name is Joanne Fowman and I'm a registered dietitian and the host of the nutrition segment. We are here at Cook's Warehouse where there's every excuse to cook. Today I'm going to explain to you guys the differences between a registered dietitian and a nutritionist. And these terms are really used interchangeably, but there are some distinctions between the two fields and the two terms. So a registered dietitian nutritionist or a registered dietitian, which are really one and the same, we have to have a at least a four-year degree, where in many cases throughout the 4 years we're in a pre-med route. And we're taking our nutrition courses also. Once we're done with our university, our 4-year university schooling, most of us do have graduate degrees. After this, we must then get into an internship program, which is very hard to get into. And I must tell you, it was one of the hardest things I ever had to do in my life. It was very rigorous. After our internship programs, we have to sit for a national exam. And once we pass the test, of course, then we can declare ourselves as registered dietitians. And this is the reason why the term registered dietitian or registered dietitian nutritionist is very legally protected, because we must go through all these steps before we can call ourselves a registered dietitian. So registered dietitians or registered dietitian nutritionists practice everything nutritionist. Medical nutrition therapy, helping someone to gain or lose weight, showing people how to manage their disease through their diet. So we basically do everything that you can think of when it comes to nutrition. Now, when it comes to a nutritionist, someone who just holds that title, nutritionist, they too can be experts in nutrition. I had many experts in grad school who were PhDs in nutrition, and I considered them as experts. But everyone you find who calls themselves a nutritionist is not an expert, and they may not even hold a license or some kind of certification in nutrition. They may have just read a book, and today they decide to call themselves a nutritionist. So when it comes to you finding the person that's going to help advise you, make sure that you're finding somebody who is qualified to really advise you in nutrition and will not inadvertently cause you harm. So someone like myself, who is a registered dietitian nutritionist, we are experts in the field, and just basically do your research so that you won't harm yourself. Thank you for watching OldFashion Health, Good Health Inside and Out. I'm Joanne, host of the nutrition segment. See you next time.